Pwesto na tayo, laro tayo ng Jumblebee. Guys, let's play the Jumblebee round. Mike, pwesto ka na. Ikaw una.
I think but you're too fast move.
Sorry. Pero ang tumpak na lyrics ay, but I think you're moving too fast. M. Norman, here's your song. 1998, Spice Girls. Stop! Here's your song. 1983, Eurythmics, Here Comes the Rain Again.
Is it what I want raining ocean into with you?
Sorry, pero ang tumpak na sagot ay I want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you?
Ang hirap sa akin.
Tiebreaker tayo.
Mga 1990s.
Mabanggitin ko lamang ang year at ang artist. Mag-uuna na kayo sa pagbago. Play and pass lang tayo. Here we go. 1981.
Sino na? Ako ba?
Ikaw.
Ay, ako.
Dai, una ko isa.
Gusto mo
Play or
na?
pass? Play or pass?
Pass.
Pass na?
Yes,
O,
pass,
sige,
please.
step back, please. Alex, 1981, Barry Manilow. If I Should Love Again.
Oh, amazing. Pass that song.
If I should love again, if I found someone new, it would be make-believe. For in my heart, it would be you. And though I
Find someone new.
Sorry! Ang tumpak na lyrics doon ay hold her close and want them now and then. I should be loving you if I should love again, sunshine.